So today we had a fabulously successful launch of the Cork Food Policy Council on the Grand Parade in the city centre. We wanted to have a big, exhibition of what we're all about, and what better way to do it than to invite the citizens of Cork to come in and to be fed 5,000 free curries from vegetables that would be going to landfill, and just to get people involved in the food system and to understand what's going on in the food system and how they can partake in it. It originated in Knocknaheeny in the community garden. Niche, which is a community project based in Knocknaheeny, got funding for a community garden in the area, and it was hugely successful. So because of the success there, they approached us in Healthy Cities to see if we could take this to a citywide initiative, which of course we were delighted to do. We have a structure in Healthy Cities that has a number of partners involved, such as the HSE, the Cork City Council, UCC Department of Epidemiology and General Practice, and lots of community-based organisations. So we were the ideal structure really in order to put this out at a citywide level. And that's what we have done in forming the Cork Food Policy Council. So as Healthy Cities Co-ordinator, I work with a number of agencies across the city, because your health is very much affected, not just by the health services. In fact, it's affected way more by the agencies and structures in the city that make decisions around planning or around structures or around putting things in place, such as the local authority. So the planning of a city and the planning of organisations and the implementation of organisations very much impacts on the health. And food is an ideal conduit for health. It offers us the opportunity to promote health as well as sustainability, because environment and health are very much intrinsically linked. It gives us the opportunity to look at how people are buying their food. Are they connected to the food system? Do they understand the food system? Do they understand and are they partaking in educational opportunities to learn about food? And are they eating the right things? So the whole idea of Healthy Cities is that we all have a role in health, and that health is everybody's business. So when we're planning our city, for example, when we're planning our housing or where we're locating our schools, that we're looking at the impact that this has on our health, and we're maximising the benefit that this has on our health. When it comes to the food system, it's about how connected are we to the local producers, how connected are we to the local shops, how are the schools able to partake perhaps in growing their own vegetables or accessing community gardens in their locality. And that is the essence of Healthy Cities, promoting this way of thinking, that health is at the core and that we look at the impact that it has on health, all of the decisions that are being made in the city. There was an overwhelming response when we put out the idea of feeding the city. A number of agencies and organisations across the city got really involved, from Cork Institute of Technology, where the students there peeled a ton of vegetables that were provided by the Mead Potato Company, vegetables that would be going to waste. Those vegetables were brought onto the Grand Parade, and at 6 a.m. This morning, the Hare Krishna community from London who had travelled over started cooking it. And then at 1 o'clock we fed the city, and the Lord Mayor herself got stuck in and provided the vegetables and provided and served it to the citizens of Cork. So it's been a wonderful day and we've really enjoyed it.